Hey, vlog.
Got me a new shirt. Like, share, comment, subscribe. Hey YouTube, it's Supportive Mom and I'm back. Y'all know one of the things that I really enjoy doing in life is spending time with Mr. Lincoln. In this video, Mr. Lincoln and we're gonna have some fun. I'm not gonna tell y'all what we're doing because you're gonna watch this video. You're gonna comment, tell me how you enjoy watching me spend time with my grandson. And also in this video, I'm taking a road trip with my husband. We had to go and travel. If y'all watch all of Destiny, y'all have already seen some of that footage, but watch it from my point of view, okay? So let's hop right into this video and y'all come on and see what me and Mr. Lincoln got into this time.
3. Dear guest, your meal is ready. So, first, tray with blue line on is your meal. Be careful when picking it up.
You like that, Lincoln? I don't know which one this is.
Thank you.
Thank you. Bye. I did. I got it all the way.
Oh, it's your meal. Be careful when picking it up.
Is it hot?
It's yours.
Let's sit on the side. Okay.
You gotta make room.
Hi, your meal is served. Please tap my face to confirm after picking. Thank you. Bye.
Video. Quality about yourself.
This time he look angry up here. What you doing, Desai?
Cooking it up here with Mr. Lincoln and his ribs together.
English and Spanish.
Got a spread.
Yes, sir.
Come over here, grab the table to spread.
First, it's cake.
What you got put?
Some shrimp, lobster ball, and my honey
Hey, your what? What's in there?
Pho, lobster ball, some broccoli, cucumbers. Some Boone told me to put in there this big green thing.
What you told her to put in there, Desai?
These right here, bok chow.
Ooh. She don't know nothing about what that mushroom stuff is. I'm talking about raw. You ain't got nothing. Show me some raw, honey.
She put in a super salad. It's very chopped in there. Yeah, this right here.
Let me see. Pick it up. Oh, she picking up the whole plate. Ooh, Desai is really cooking.
I don't know. You want to eat it raw, boy?
And this is my soup. I got some dumplings in here. I'm gonna do this, try dumplings and lobster ball in my pot.
Someone's poking me in the corner of my eye. Look, let's see a video. Quality about yourself. How long you been filming this thing? Hey.
Say hey to your mama.
I'm home. I'm dead.
You on the hayride? You having fun? Say hello, mama.
Hello, Mom.
Well, we made it to the Wyndham Hotel here in Chicago.
Back up.
We're at the
There you go.
Wyndham, Chicago with my wife and family.
Give them a room tour.
First of all, I got my Jimmy Choo bag.
I said a room tour.
Okay, so we have 2 beds. I guess I'll sleep in this one. My wife is sleeping in that one.
Oh, we're gonna sleep in separate beds.
Separate
Okay.
beds. I can rest. This is the bed portion, and lamps, and it looks like a nice place. Very, very neat and clean.
What's this over here?
Television. Watch some football, some basketball. I can sit this down. She'll be saying, be neat. Okay, sweet pie. Here's a refrigerator. And a microwave. Our clothing. There's a closet right here. So I guess we can go to work and hang there. Here's the restroom. Shower. It's nice. Come look at this.
What I'm looking at.
That's nice.
What's nice about that?
Shower. I can hide from you in here. Let hide.
Look, y'all, they got Dove products. Oh, it's a mirror behind the door, Greg.
I'm sure you'll be utilizing that, won't you?
Uh-huh.
I don't need a coat.
So what you want to say to them?
Well, just be praying for us.
Wait, let me come to the sound over here
Be
behind you.
praying for us. We have the weights tonight.
Right now, what we getting ready to do?
Go and sightsee.
Hang out, sightsee, and kill some time. Hold it up. Let's see what they got. Okay. They got oatmeal too.
Oh, yeah, that's what I
No, it's biscuits and gravy, it says.
Is it? Gravy in here?
Yeah. I thought it was oatmeal, it's gravy.
Hey, below. Today we're gonna make some popcorn.
In the popcorn machine, because it's raining and we came home early from school. So
At 1 o'clock.
Turn the machine on. Come on, Ray. Turn the machine on. Okay. Bring it up.
So this right here, then we're gonna put the popcorn in this. I'm happy we out of school early. Ooh. Ooh. It's good right there.
We're gonna let that melt. Right now, the butter is all melted.
We're gonna put the popcorn in there.
Yep. Here, pull that till you pull it. So the problem is on top of there. We're gonna close it up. And we're gonna watch it pop.
We either gonna put it in this
So
or
we put it in
this.
this one, we can share.
We gonna put it in this one.
Or we can put it in here and you can have your own and I can have mine.
We can share it.
So it looks like the door has to be closed. And we're gonna watch us a movie. We got hot, buttery popcorn.
I think we should watch the movie in the living room.
Watch the movie.
Oh, and
No,
one
we're
for
gonna lay in
Granddad.
bed and watch the movie.
Or one for Granddad.
Huh?
How about Granddad?
So look, we don't have to want them our popcorn fresh. Now people go to the movie, they ask, is this popcorn fresh? We know ours fresh.
And we know our fresh. Oh, that's a lot. Oh, it's almost full.
You like it, Lee?
Yeah, I believe we're gonna break it. I hope we don't.
No, it's a lot though, isn't it?
Is it supposed to come out like that?
Uh-huh. Where you going?
Yeah, open
It's not making the popping sound anymore, so I'm gonna turn it off.
it.
Hold the big one. Hold it right there.
Oh, where the popcorn supposed to be?
Right here.
Let me do it.
Okay. Push it to the back one.
Okay, push to the back.
Yeah.
Back here. I get the popcorn.
You know what? I think if we lean this down,
Yeah, come on. on.
Now pull this down.
Why don't you pull that down?
And that's how I go. Look. So then you want it. All right. Here, look.
I need one for young. This one could be his.
You gonna get granddad the big one?
Well, I'm gonna give myself the big one. I get the small ones.
Taste it, Lincoln. Taste it. Then see if it's good, bro.
Mmm.
I'll get it too.
And it's fresh.
We need to get the whole thing, y'all. This is a movie night. I want to do it in the living room and all. Or we'll do it in here.
Do daddy eat popcorn like that?
Yeah. Slide that all the way up to the top.
Okay.
Slide all the way up.
Okay.
And twist now.
This.
Now on the side, let the button down.
Choosing on the desk. Choosing on the desk. Call perseverance.
Like, share, comment, subscribe, and you better do it. Y'all like my new shirt? Leave me a comment and tell me if you like my shirt.